Hey, Tom. Why didn't you come to school? You are looking sad. Is everything okay?
Everything is okay, sir. Sorry that I couldn't attend classes. I was a sick little bit. That's why I did come.
Ha ha ha, it's a common excuse for every student. Now tell me quickly, why didn't you attend the class?
Well, sir, I have a problem with English. Can you please help?
Oh, my God. But why? I see, you did very well in the last exam. Then, what is the problem?
It's true that I am good at English subject, but why can't speak English, sir? Tell me.
Oh, I see. You have a problem with English speaking. For speaking English, there is one way you have to practice.
The thing is that I am a little worried about my job. I want to get a better job. For that, I need to know English very well.
I am happy to hear this. I really appreciate your effort.
Sir, please help me. I can understand English, but I can't speak English fluently. It is my problem.
Oh, it needs some time. Because it's a language. Definitely, I can give you some tips about that.
Sure, sir. Please tell me.
When I give notes in class, do you practice new words?
Yes, I do memorize those words at my home. I take notes every day. But that doesn't work for me at all.
Nice, but don't you practice the new words? You said that you just memorized the words, right?
No, sir. I don't use them. I just memorized it.
Then you are doing wrong. Just taking notes is not enough. You have to use the words in your English. Then you will be benefited.
Why it's important to know the vocabulary?
Good question. Suppose you are talking with someone and you are stuck because the word is not coming into your mind. At that time, if you know any other word, you can replace the word. You can express yourself easily without any problem.
And how can I use the new words?
Simple. You can use the new words to make a sentence. Or you can use it in your English conversation. It's really effective. Suppose you have learned a new word, gain, then you can make a sentence like I have gained a lot of knowledge about English.
Wow, I never think about this. I should practice new words like this.
Yes, you should. Because this is the best way to learn new words. If you do memorize, after a few days you could forget the words. Many people think that memorizing words and translating is enough. It's useless if they don't use it in sentences or practice in conversation.
Yes, I got your point. If we don't practice the words in our English conversation, we can forget the word. We have to use it in real life. That's amazing. I need more tips like this, sir. Please.
The second tip is listening. We always watch videos in our native language. We avoid watching the video in English. I mean anything you can watch that like.
But I want to improve my English speaking skill, not my listening. Why should I listen then?
I know. But do you know listening and speaking both are connected?
No. What is the connection between them?
When you were a child that you started speaking or listening? Initially, which one did you experience? Tell me.
I'm not sure, but I think listening was first. Because firstly, I used to listen to my parents and try to understand them.
Yes, absolutely. This is what I am trying to make you understand. If we listen more and more, we can improve our English very fast.
But what should I listen to? I mean, there are so many things that I can listen to. I am confused.
Well, do you like listening to English conversations? Or do you like to watch English movies?
Sir, I like watching movies.
Great. You can watch movies. But the thing is that many people don't like to watch movies to improve their English.
Why, sir? Is there any problem?
No problem. Some people feel distracted watching movies.
Oh, you're right. It can distract me. I can English conversation.
Yes, any type of conversation you can watch like a podcast.
Okay, I will start listening to English conversations on YouTube. I want to improve my English skills as soon as possible.
But listening is not enough. You have to concentrate when you are listening. I mean, if you don't understand any phrase or new word, then make a note and try to practice again and again.
What would be the next tips for me, sir?
My third tip is grammar. You should know some grammar.
Grammar, but some of my friends told me grammar is not important for speaking English.
It's not true 100%. Because we need some basic grammars. Those grammar are required for speaking English.
Oh, I see. Could please tell me which grammars are important for speaking English?
Sure, why not? Don't worry. These are the very basic grammar. Like tense, prepositions, modals verbs, and subverb agreement.
Awesome! I know this grammar. I have no problem.
I told you before simple grammar that we need.
What is your next tip, sir? I want to know.
My fourth tip is to speak with a friend. It's really important to practice speaking.
But when I speak English with my friends, they make fun of me. Then, how will I practice with them?
Well, you need to find that friend who is interested to improve English. You can practice with that friend. It's easy, not hard.
Sir, but if we make a mistake, who will fix the issue?
You have to correct each other. If your friend makes mistake, you can correct him. If you make mistake, your friend can correct you.
I can recall one of your motivation classes. Initially, we motivate. After a few days, we give up.
I know. And that's normal. Because this is not something easy to do. It takes hard work and time. Listen, being motivated is good to start doing something, but you can't be motivated all the time. And when there's a lack of motivation, you will need something really important, discipline.
Sir, I am a disciplined person. I do my homework every day.
There is a big reason. If you don't do that, you will get a bad score, right?
Oh yes, I got you. But I have a question. Is it necessary to read English books?
No, it is optional if are interested to read books. But reading books is a good habit. I always read books.
But sir, I am confused at how much should I practice?
I can't say anything about it. Because it's up to you. How much can you handle? Some get stressed very easily while others can do hard work and handle the pressure. So, if you can practice for more time then you can learn quickly, so listen to those people who tell you to practice for only 1 hour. If you want to learn fast, then you have to add more hours and practice. I hope that you got the point.
Yes, I got your point. I can assure you that I will learn English speaking very fast because I will practice for more hours. Do you know speaking English is one of my dreams?
Haha. I can understand your feelings. I was the same as you. I was determined to learn English speaking at any cost.
I would like to know something. Can I use a dictionary or translator? My teacher told me not to use it.
That doesn't make sense. In order to learn new words, you need to know what it means first. You have to know the meaning.
Sir, any other tips that are important for speaking English?
Yes, I can share another video if our audience wants more tips like this, then why not?
Thank you so much.
If you found the video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.